Hello children, in this video I am going to show you how can you make one nice bird by paper. Here first handkerchief fold. You see in this video these guidelines given. How can you make the handkerchief fold? Then bird base fold here. Some guidelines given. See here. Watch in this video. You can make bird base fold. For making this bird, you take one square paper, any colors, fold it in the middle. Then from left hand side you fold it like this, which are you watching in this video. Then turn the papers. From back sides you have to fold like this way. You will get like this triangular shapes. Here you insert the fingers and press that fold like this. Handkerchief fold now this. Now here from that open side you have to fold like this triangular shape. From back sides also you have to fold like this fold. You will get like this fold. Now this forward and backward you have to fold like this fold. You will get like this crease there. Now you open it and lift that down sides one corner as you are looking here in this video, like this shape you will get here. Like these shapes you have got here. From back sides also same folding. Now if you leave that corner down sides you will get bird base fold. Now this from down sides. From that it's one open, you make two crease there. Like this from backward and forward. Get one crease there. On that crease you have to fold like this way, which you are watching in this video. Same fold from back sides also, both sides you have to fold same. Then here also like this, both sides, backward forward. Now insert the finger, you will get the beak and head of that bird. Like this shape you will get. Now for wings of that bird, you take any round shapes thing, here pen, and then roll it for getting that wings. Here this bird is ready. You can watch in this video. Nice birds is there. See, observe this properly by all angle. If you like, subscribe it.